Welcome back to this channel. Thanks you for watching. There have been a lot of questions concerning those that apply for the student loan, and right now UI has added the amount which you applied for on your next fund dashboard. UI has already added it to your UI wallet. You should be seeing that right now. But the issue right now is that the amount next fund paid does not tally with the amount which you have to pay on your school fee portal. Right now on Dailylight channel, we have already accessed the right quarters which you need to access on your behalf. We have already went to UI items, and we have also been able to access the bursary office. And right now in this video, I will be explaining the step-by-step guide on how to add the remaining balance which remain to balance your school fee on your wallet. So stay tuned and pay attention to everything I'll be explaining right now. So the first thing you have to do right now is that try and know the exact balance. Please don't make the mistake. If the amount, for instance, if you are paying 100,000 naira and the amount the next one paid on your behalf is 50,000, it remains 50,000. Actually, they don't have to pay 50,000, is too small, but the remaining amount will just be like 2 to 3,000 naira. Any amount that it remains to balance that amount which you have to pay on your student portal, you now try and get it handy and go to a center. The center which they told us particularly, even from the bursary office, as the person in charge of the bursary, in charge of those having issue with their student loan, the next fund portal, and their UI wallet. The exact center which the person told us is that you should go to UI so complex, and the name of the center is Glorious Strings. Actually, you can access other center, but the person in charge of the bursary and who is also attending to the people having issue with their next fund and UI wallet particularly stated that you should go to Glorious Train Center at the UI Soup complex inside UI. All you just need to do is that just tell the person that you want to pay on UI portal through remitter, and the person will pay into the right account. And after you are done with the payment, this is the second step. You need to take the receipt back to the bursary office. The bursary office is located at the back of this Union ATM stand after you pass through Kuti, beside Zenith Gallery. That is where the bursary unit is. Exactly at the back of ATM stands, at the place they will help you to stamp it. They will stamp it, and after they are done stamping it, the next step is this, which is the third step you have to take. Now you will take that stamp receipt which they will issue to you. You will take it down to items. It is now at the items that they will help you to credit that particular amount on your UI wallet, so that you can process your school fee. I would like to repeat this process. The first thing is that make sure that you know the amount that left for you to pay on your student portal, and that amount take it down to a computer center at the UI SO complex. The name of the center is Glorious Strings. You can access other center, but for you not to have an issue, because the man in charge said that those people, they already know how to pay through remitter on UI portal. So I don't want you to have an issue. Just go to the place and pay the money. After you are done paying it, take the receipt back to the bursary office at the back of Union ATM stand, and when you are done with that, just take back the receipt which they will help you to stamp. Take it back to items, and at the items they will help you to add the fund to your UI wallet. So this is how you can just rectify the issue of shortage payment from next fund, and you can then proceed to pay your school fee. I will enjoin you to take this step as soon as possible. GH exam start next week, and official times table has already been released, so there is no doubt about that. Do not sleep on it. I wish you best of luck in your coming examination. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have not liked it, kindly like it and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.